Alright, let's look at a worked example of order of operations. Alright, okay, some people know it as PEMDAS. Alright, some people know it as BODMAS. Alright, okay, basically, you know, what this means is actually we do the brackets first, and followed by division and multiplication, and add or subtract. So let me just division or multiplication, add or subtract. Alright, okay, so following BODMAS rules, okay, we have to work the brackets first, work whatever's inside the brackets. So what's the innermost bracket? So these expressions take priority first. So 3 minus 7 is minus 4 cubed divided by minus 4. Alright, minus 12 minus, now minus 4 cubed is actually minus 64. Okay, it's actually minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. If you so wish, you might want to write it that way, no problem. Okay, and so I get minus 12 here, minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4 is minus 64. Okay, divided by minus 4. Now minus 12, what happens here? Okay, now because of a bracket here, you can actually take this to be minus 1. Okay, minus 1 times minus 64 will give you positive 64 divided by 4. Okay, and you get minus 12, negative 12 plus 64, you get 52, positive 52. Oops, looks like I made a mistake here. I should have added a minus here, negative sign, divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 13.